just on our way to Puig Major. We just had a little coffee stop there, and then we're just gonna head off. But it's so warm, and the roads are just so nice again. All these videos are gonna be just me going, it's so nice, it's so warm, but genuinely, it is nice and it is warm, and just having a really lovely time in the sunshine, riding in the sunshine. I think today's total route is gonna be about 130k and 2,500-ish meters of climbing. So. And I'm actually going to meet one of our friends, Joe, back from Manchester, who is in Mallorca, so we're going to meet him along the route. So I think he's meeting us in Soler. And we're going to stop there, have some food, and then just get on with the climbing. This is a climb. Honour. Apparently this is called Honour. Pretty though. This road is amazing. The views are just so pretty. It's a really nice steady gradient, and I just love it. Let's get into the top now, nice and gentle, just steady pace, no smashing. Yeah, this is the top. Yeah, woo! Apparently this might not be the top, but I don't know. So just having a little drink, a little look at the view. That is one loud bird. Is that a peacock? Look at it, it's a big, can you see it there? I think it might be a peacock making. Do peacocks make that noise? Is it a peacock? Oh my god, it's beautiful. Let's go and see if I can get a picture of it. Hello? Oh, he's just gone the other way. To see his beautiful little feathers. Look at these switchbacks coming up. Woo! Woo! I love me some switchbacks. Look at that. Woohoo! We've actually just come from that way, and now we're going to go that way, down more switchbacks, and then to dinner. Well, yeah, and get some food. Hi Jay. Good? Yeah, let's go. We're now in the beautiful, busy little town of Soler, and I think that's how you pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong. We have lost Ben. He's gonna come back. He's started Puig Major already, so he's gonna head back, and we're gonna get some food here. Last time we were here, last October, there was a really good, it wasn't a vegan place, but they have this amazing vegan burger, so we're going to try and go back there and get the same thing. And yeah, so we've done like quite a few separate individual climbs, and now we are, after the food, we're going to head up Puig Major, which is the big one. So I will show you parts of that. I think it is quite long. I think it's, I think I mentioned it earlier, but I think it's like 15k and about 1,000 meters, so it is quite long. But it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic. So yeah, we're just waiting over there now to wait for Ben to come back so we can get some grub in our tums, ready for the climb. This is the reward of the 15k. Was it 15k climb? Look at that. Oh, amazing! And then all the cyclists had made it up. And that, out of all the climbs in Mallorca, this is the first time I've done it this year. We didn't do it when we came in October, but that by far is my favourite climb because it's so long, so steady. It's just like, reminds me a lot of like Thai, like Doi Satep, Doi Puig, Intanon. It's kind of similar to that. Just like really gradual, winding roads, beautiful views. Look! I just love it. Absolutely love it. You must get so fed up with me just being so excited, saying look how nice it is, but it is so nice. What did you two think?
Amazing, brilliant.
Amazing, brilliant. You see, that's all we can say about it. It's just fantastical. I mean, look at that. Like, how can you not love it? Look at that view. I don't love riding these roads. Hey, look at that view! Bloody hell.
Hello, mate.
I've seen donkeys and I've seen sheep. Let them go.
Hi, guys.
It's alright, there's no rush. No rush at all. They are so sweet. They were not moving, were they, at all? They were like, no, it's fine.